Hi, my name is Mr. Barnes, and I'm the instructor for the Summer Online Math course at Brother Rice. I'd like to explain a little bit about the Summer Online Math course and also its intent, and help you understand a little bit about why we've organized it the way we have. The intent of the Summer Online Math course is to be a refresher course in mathematics for kids that are coming from 8th grade into their freshman year at Brother Rice. Generally, in middle school and in grade school, you receive a summer math packet to complete over the summertime, and that occurs every year except the most important year, which is your transition from 8th into 9th grade into high school math. And that's really where you want to make sure that your basic computational skills are honed so that when you come into a high school math curriculum, you're going to be successful. So the content of this Summer Online Math course is based upon the collective experience of the Brother Rice Math Department over several years, and based upon areas we think that students need to be very sharp at in order to be successful in their high school math curriculum. So the topics are really more pre-algebra based than algebra based, and you'll notice that as you browse through the topics on the website. For example, the topics include fractions, decimals, percents, long division. Long division is something you probably learned back in 4th or 5th grade, but it's a great topic to cover because it involves the 4 basic computational skills in arithmetic, which is multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Each one of those computational skills is part of a division problem. And all of these skills in aggregate that I've already mentioned are skills that you need to be well versed in as you come into your math curriculum at Brother Rice or in any high school. Because as part of algebra problems, you're required to know fractions. You're required to know how to manipulate fractions and perform operations with fractions or decimals or percents. So if you're not sharp on those skills, if you haven't practiced them since 5th, 6th, or 7th grade, you really need to practice those now so that coming into 9th grade, you're up to speed and up to par, and you'll be successful in your high school career in math. Let me tell you a little bit about how the website is laid out. The website is laid out by topic, so it allows you to jump to the topic that you really think you need to focus on, whether it's percents, whether it's fractions, whether it's working with real numbers, positive and negative numbers. Long division is another topic. It allows you to jump to whatever of those areas you feel you need the most work on. Also, each topic is set up to be pretty much a uniform structure within the topic, and there's many different types of learning styles that are addressed in the instruction that we cover. Some students are better with audio-visual type interaction. Some are more hands-on. We have websites that are interactive and hands-on, require input from the student in answering questions, are very graphic with their interfaces with different types of mathematical problems. So we've tried to address all different types of learning styles. I'll give you an example of some of them. We have a website called Hey Math, which allows you to access different lessons for different topics, fractions, decimals, working with real numbers. And it's a graphic interface that allows the student to see concepts presented graphically, as well as audio that accompanies the graphic description, and then examples and problems that require the student to respond to questions on the website. We also have synced audio-visual of my notes as I'm working on a problem on a notepad. You can hear my voice and see my writing as I write the example out, and you can stop it and rewind it or fast forward to the point that you want to hear in my notes so that you can see how a certain problem is worked out. Each unit contains a worked out example like that, at least one, usually multiple examples like that. We also have online practice problems where you can go online and answer a series of questions and then take or look at the solutions in real time and see how you performed on the practice problems. And there's also PDF files that you can download additional problems, print them out and work on them at home and check your solutions with a solution key that's provided on the website as well for more practice on each topic. Now, as well, we have in each topic, we have a pre-assessment and a post-assessment for the topic. The pre-assessment is intended to be, do I really need to study this particular topic? So the first thing you would do when you want to investigate whether or not you're proficient on a topic is to go to the topic and take the pre-assessment quiz. It's maybe 10 to 20 questions long. You'll take the quiz, score yourself, and determine, based on how many wrong that you received out of 10 or 20, whether or not you really need to focus in that area or not. Let's say you do decide to focus on a particular topic, maybe fractions. As you go through all the different modules available on the fractions topic, at the end of the topic, and this is true for each of the topics, at the end of the fraction topic would be a competency or a mastery quiz, which would be an online quiz that you would take. You're allowed to take it only once, and the results would be electronically recorded online. I would get to review the results, and your parents would also get to see a copy of those results so that you can see whether you've mastered that particular topic or not based on your responses to the questions online. There's also a chat room that would be available at least once a week for about an hour, where you can ask questions to me online in a chat format. I would respond to them, answering your questions. So it's kind of an office hours online where you're able to interactively communicate with me. We hope that you find the topics useful. We hope that you find the website useful. If you have any suggestions or comments, we're open to that as well. And we based on our experience at Brother Rice in the math department, we really believe that this is going to be a great opportunity for incoming students to avail themselves of the types of resources online that will let you hone the skills that are so critical to performing well in high school. So good luck, and we'll see you in the fall.